Hello, this week's HSSE sharing will cover the topic, Principles and Safe Operating Procedures for Gas Cutting. Preparation of work area and equipment. Flashback arresters. Special attention must be given to installing 4 flashback arresters, 2 at the torch and 2 at the regulator, covering both the oxygen and fuel gas lines, to prevent flashback from reaching the cylinders. Leak inspection. Check gas hoses and connections with a soap solution before every use to detect leaks. Gas cylinder handling. Keep cylinders upright and securely fastened, away from heat, sparks, and oil, grease. Work area. Open area. Work in a well-ventilated area to prevent gas accumulation. Safe area. Move flammable materials at least 11 meters away, in accordance with NFPA, WISW 0603. If this is not possible, install spark barriers or cover them with fire-resistant blankets. Safe area. Move combustible materials at least 11 meters away, in accordance with NFPA 51B, Permit to Work Procedure SP03. If this is not possible, spark shields or fire blankets must be used to cover and protect the area. Firefighting equipment. Always keep a fire extinguisher near the work area. Permit to work. In designated areas, a hot work permit must be obtained before starting any work. Personal protective equipment, PPE. Appropriate personal protective equipment, PPE, should be worn, including a safety helmet, safety shoes, heat-resistant gloves, a welding mask, and a respirator. Operating procedures. Ignition. Slightly open the fuel gas valve before ignition, then gradually open the oxygen valve and adjust the flame appropriately. Use a proper spark lighter only. Do not use a cigarette lighter or matches. Shutdown. Always close the fuel gas valve first to extinguish the flame, then close the oxygen valve. Containers that previously held gas. When cutting tanks or containers that previously held flammable substances, they must be thoroughly cleaned and purged of any residual gases, 0% LEL. Competency. Operators must be knowledgeable and skilled in the correct and safe use of equipment. Attention and awareness. Maintain focus at all times, stay aware of potential risks, and strictly follow all safety measures to minimize the risk of accidents and potential damage. Post-work procedures. Always close the gas cylinder valves after use. Store the gas hoses neatly. Store acetylene and oxygen cylinders separately. Precautions. Do not point the gas cutting torch at yourself or others. Stay focused. Do not joke around or work while fatigued. Workpieces will be hot after cutting. Do not touch them directly. Allow them to cool down before handling or moving. See you again in HSSE sharing. Thank you.